Looking to take your gaming and content creation to the next level? The Intel i9-12900K processor delivers revolutionary performance with up to 5.2 GHz max clock speed and 16 powerful cores. Whether you're pushing graphics-heavy games or juggling multiple apps, this chip handles it all without breaking a sweat. What sets this processor apart is its innovative hybrid architecture. It combines 8 high-performance cores with 8 efficient cores, designed to optimize every task. Intel Thread Director smartly assigns workloads, so demanding games run smoothly while background apps stay out of the way. This means no more lag or slowdowns when streaming or editing videos. Beyond raw power, the i9-12900K supports the latest tech standards. With PCIe Gen 5 and DDR5 memory compatibility, you get faster data transfer and improved graphics performance. Plus, Thunderbolt 4 and Intel Killer Wi-Fi 6/6E ensure lightning-fast peripheral connections and stable online gaming or streaming sessions. Customization is another highlight. The processor offers separate overclocking controls for both performance and efficient cores, giving you precise control over your system's speed and power consumption. This flexibility means you can tailor your PC to fit your exact needs, whether it's gaming marathons or heavy video editing. One user shared their experience upgrading from a decade-old i7 to the i9-12900K. They praised the early delivery and expressed confidence in the processor's ability to handle photography and video production tasks with ease. It's a solid upgrade for creators who demand reliability and speed. If you're ready to build or upgrade a powerhouse PC, this processor deserves a close look. It's designed to handle today's most demanding applications while future-proofing your setup with cutting-edge features. You get smoother multitasking, faster response times, and the freedom to push your system further. Worth a look if you want a processor that balances raw speed with smart efficiency. The Intel i9-12900K is more than just a chip. It's the heart of a high-performance rig built to keep up with your creativity and gaming ambitions. Try it when you're ready to experience seamless multitasking and peak performance. This processor unlocks what your PC can really do, making it a smart investment for anyone serious about speed and reliability.